In the late 1800s, nestled in the heartland of America, two brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, were captivated by the dream of human flight. Their story is not just one of invention, but a testament to resilience, determination, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. Amidst the tranquility of their Ohio bicycle shop, the brothers envisioned defying the laws of gravity. They weren't just craftsmen, they were dreamers, thinkers, and visionaries. Their fascination with flight was an obsession that consumed their every waking moment. The road to flight was littered with failures and setbacks. Time and again, their designs failed to take off. But with each crash, they didn't falter. Instead, they learned, they refined their ideas, recalibrated their designs, and refused to succumb to despair. It wasn't just about building a machine that could fly. It was about mastering the skies against all odds. With each disappointment, their resolve strengthened. They didn't see failure as an end but as a stepping stone towards success. Their perseverance was unwavering, and their belief in their dream unshakable. Finally, on a cold December day in 1903, at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, history was made. The Wright brothers, with their wooden flyer, achieved the impossible. The world witnessed the birth of the airplane, the first controlled, sustained flight in a powered aircraft. Their triumph wasn't just the conquest of the skies, it was a triumph of the human spirit. Their story serves as a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the path for generations to come. The lessons gleaned from their journey are invaluable. Firstly, they teach us the power of persistence. The Wright brothers faced countless challenges, yet they persisted. They didn't give up in the face of adversity. They embraced failure as a part of the journey, not an obstacle to it. Secondly, they exemplified the importance of innovation and curiosity. Their relentless pursuit of flight pushed the boundaries, what was deemed possible. They dared to dream and were unafraid to venture into the unknown. Additionally, they highlight the significance of collaboration. Wilbur and Orville's partnership was symbiotic. They complemented each other's strengths and weaknesses, propelling their shared dream forward. Moreover, their story emphasizes the value of learning from mistakes. Failure wasn't an endpoint, it was a lesson. Each crash, every setback, was an opportunity to refine their designs, to understand the complexities of flight better. Their legacy isn't confined to the invention of the airplane, it extends beyond, inspiring us to reach for the stars in our own endeavors. Their story is a testament to the human capacity for innovation, resilience, and unwavering determination. Their achievement resonates across time, urging us to embrace our aspiration with fervor and conviction. It reminds us that the path to success is paved with setbacks and challenges. It's a journey that demands resilience, determination, and an unyielding belief in one's dreams. The Wright brothers' story is a reminder that greatness isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's within reach of those who dare to dream, persist, and strive tirelessly towards their goals. As we look to the skies, let their story be a testament to the heights we can achieve when we dare to defy gravity, when we dare to dream. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more inspirational stories.